Welcome back to A Moment with Elizabeth. I'm Elizabeth Dawson. It's so nice to see you again. Well, today we want to talk a little bit about estate planning and maybe doing it yourself. Doing it yourself, if you're not a legal professional that is in the crux of planning estates every single day, or a living trust or a will, you might want to reconsider doing it yourself. I have people that I've talked to over the years that have done that themselves. They feel confident about it, but this is where I bring back a statement. That statement is that there's a professional for everything. Are you the professional that should be looking at your ins and outs of how your living trust or estate plan or will should really be determined? Well, you want to be heavily involved with the legal professional that's putting it together so that you can tell them what you want in the event of a health crisis or a financial crisis, or if you have children at home that need to have someone in a relationship that would take care of them emotionally, maybe another person to be the financial trustee. Those are conversations that you really want to button up and have answered in the state that you live in with a legal professional that's in that state, because they know the laws. Not every attorney, most attorneys aren't, they aren't licensed in other states. They're very well versed in the state that they live in, but they don't necessarily have bars that they've passed in each state. Uniquely, some might, but that's very, very rare. If you have a question for a legal professional about planning your estate plan, your living trust, your will, your healthcare power of attorney, your financial power of attorney, you would like to get some information about this, please reach out. We will put you in touch with some great legal professionals so you can make your own decision after you interview them and have peace of mind when it's all done. All right, I hope this moment with Elizabeth was amazing, because it was a good one for me, and I'm talking to quite a few people about their estate plans right now, so it's very appropriate. All right, take care, stay tuned. We'll be back next week with another moment with Elizabeth.
The information provided in this show is for informational and educational purposes only. This show is not investment advice, nor is it intended to address the financial needs of any particular viewer. The opinions expressed on this show are not intended to be an endorsement of any particular investment strategy or service of any other kind. You must make an independent decision regarding investments or strategies mentioned throughout the show. Before acting on information in this show, you should consider whether it is suitable for your particular situation and strongly consider seeking advice from a financial advisor.